Hi, welcome back to Safety and Civil Engineers Insights. Today, I'll be walking you through on how to become a civil engineer. Also, if you are a civil engineer and you want to become a successful civil engineer, this video is for you. So let's dive into it. How to become a civil engineer. So let's get started. What is civil engineering? Civil engineering is a broad field focused on the design, construction, and maintenance of infrastructure. This encompasses roads, bridges, tunnels, buildings, water systems, and more. Civil engineers play a crucial role in improving the quality of life. Educational requirements for civil engineers. 1. Bachelor's degree. A bachelor's degree in civil engineering. 2. Master's degree. A master's degree can enhance specialization and provide a competitive edge in the job market. 3. Licensure. After gaining experience, aspiring civil engineer or an engineer can take the professional engineering exams to qualify you as a certified civil engineer, such as Council for the Regulation of Engineering in Nigeria. Key skills and competencies for civil engineers. 1. Problem solving. As a civil engineer, you must have to be a problem solving civil engineer. Civil engineers must analyze complex problems, devise innovative solutions, and ensure safety and sustainability. 2. Communication. Strong communication skills are vital for collaboration with teams, clients, and stakeholders. 3. Technical proficiency. Civil engineers need to be proficient in design software, engineering principles, and construction methods. Career specializations in civil engineering. 1. Structural engineering. This has to do with the design and analysis of bridges, building, and other infrastructure. 2. Geotechnical engineering. This has to do with the soil and rock mechanics, foundation design, and earthwork construction. 3. Environmental engineering. This has to do with water resources management, wastewater, wastewater treatment, and environmental protection. Fourthly, we have the transportation, which has to do with the road transport, the air transport, the rail transport, and so on, etc. Lastly, is the water engineering. This has to do with the quality of water, an aspect of water that has to do with engineering factors, etc. The life of a civil engineer. Typical duties and responsibilities. 1. Conducting site surveys and collecting data. 2. Developing design plans, specifications, and cost estimates. 3. Supervising construction and ensuring adherence to codes and regulations. 4. Monitoring project progress and managing budgets. Opportunities and job prospects for civil engineers. 1. Growing demand. The demand for civil engineers is expected to grow steadily in the coming years. 2. Infrastructure development. The need for infrastructure projects such as road, bridges, and water system continue to increase. 3. Sustainability. Civil engineers play a critical role in designing and building sustainable infrastructure. Continue education and professional development. 1. Conferences. Attending industry conferences and seminars. 2. Workshop. Participating in workshops to develop specific skills. 3. Certification. Pursuing professional certifications to demonstrate expertise. 4. Mentorship. Seeking mentorship from experienced professionals. Conclusion and next steps. A career in civil engineering offers a rewarding opportunity to shape the built environment, solve complex problems, and make a lasting impact. With dedication, education, and professional development, you can become a successful civil engineer. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment, and share. Please click on the subscribe button on my YouTube channel. This is how the subscribe button look like. You click, then you click on like, give me like, comment, and you share. Thank you. I really appreciate that.